Hello guys, welcome to the Data Dive with Aniket. Today we will see one of the interesting SQL question based on the customer retention rate. So customer retention rate means the customer who made the purchase within the same time frame. Here we have to calculate by month. So within the same month, the customers who purchased, those will be retained. On that basis, we need to calculate the retention rate. We have given with the data for the different months. If you see here, it's January, February, and March data has been given. And we have to calculate for the customer who has purchased within the same month. Suppose you have registered to any e-commerce platform on so and so date, then that date will be your sign up date. And if you purchase anything on some date, then that will be your last purchase date. In this case, we need to calculate the retention rate for the months. So we will group the months and then we will calculate the retention rate. For January, if you see here, three customers sign up on during the January month, and all of them purchased within the same month. If you see here, you are seeing 1st February, but 1st February lies within the same month. Means if you calculate the 30 days after the 15th January, so it will be in the same month. So three customers sign up and three purchase. So here the retention rate will be 100%. Okay, same if you see for the February month, three customers signed up, but only two has purchased. And here null means the customer didn't purchase till date. So the retention rate for the February will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 will be approximately around 66%. So just giving 66 here. And for the March month, four customers had signed and one didn't purchase, but others purchased within the same month. So again here if you see April, but it is within the same month. So uh, 3 has purchased. So 3 by 4 is 75%. So this should be our output. So let's see the solution. Okay guys, I have loaded the data into database. So let's see the data first. So whatever was given, so we have loaded that. If you see here, January 3 records, February 3 records, and March is having 4 records. So let's do the query. So first select from customers. Okay, so what we need first, we need the month. Okay, so what we will do, format, and in the format we will give the sign up date, and we need the format as I'll give as YYYY and month. So we'll get it with the year. Okay, then what we need to calculate, we need to calculate the count of the customers, like count of the distinct customers who has registered in the month and they have purchased within the same month. So we need to calculate the customers who had signed up and purchased within the same month. Those count we need to take. So here I will take the count. Then we need the distinct count. So count distinct. So here what I will do, I will write a case here, case, and then case when what we will do, we will take the date diff on the interval of month and date diff for these two dates, and if it for the less than or equal to 1 means if it is less than or equal to 1, that means the purchase has been done within the same month. So I am giving date diff, interval is month, and first date is the sign up date and other date is the last purchase date. This should be less than or equal to 1, and then if this condition matches, then we need to display the customer ID. So I am just giving this end as retained cust. Okay, we need to complete the bracket here, and then other thing I will count the distinct count of the customer's ID. Count distinct of the customer ID. So I'm giving this as cust count, and then we need to group by on the basis of month. So I'm just giving it group by on the basis of this. So let's run the query and let's see the output. Okay, so now we have got the output. What we need to do, okay, here I will name this as month. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to divide retained cost by customer count and we need to multiply it by 100. So I'll do it within the same query. So what I will do, I will just remove this and I will give here into 100.0. I'm giving decimal cause percentage can be in the decimals also. So I'm giving this as this and then just divide sign, and I'm removing, I'm mentioning this as retention rate. Okay, so let's run the query and see the output. Okay, if you see, for January all of the three registered and three purchased within the same month, so 100%. As we have discussed, for February two customers has purchased from the three, so it was around 66%, and for the March three of the customers has purchased from the four, so 3 by 4 75%. So I hope you have learned something new. If you learned something new, please like the video, share it, subscribe it. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.